Hey everyone, if you are using the Coinbase app for trading the crypto and if you are wondering on how to change the phone number on the Coinbase app, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on the Coinbase app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the three dot lines at the top left corner just right here. Then here you can find the profile and settings option. Now open it. Then scroll down and here you can find the option of change security settings. Now tap on it. Then here you can find this kind of option at your mobile screen. Now tap on to 2FA settings just right here. Then scroll down and here you can find the text message just right here. Now tap on to the arrow down button just right here. Then here you can find the option of add a backup phone number. Tap on it. Then you can simply get the code onto the number that you have just added before, and you can simply add another phone number. And by doing this, you can add another phone number and you can change it. And that's it. This is how you can change the phone number in the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.